Hi guys, so for today we are going to unbox Coocaa 55S6G Pro Max. Not Pro, but Pro Max. This is a LED TV I bought on Lazada, flagship store Coocaa with a 2 years warranty. And later on, I'm going to show you the features, settings, and options once we are finished unboxing. So let's start with the basic and quick specification of this 56S6G Pro Max model. This has a display of 55-inch with a fascinating frameless design. It is a 4K Ultra HD TV with a maximum resolution of 3840 by 2160. It has a refresh rate of 60 Hz. For the audio, we have left and right speakers with a 20-watt speaker output. For connectivity, we have 2 USB ports, 3 HDMI ports, 2 ports for HDMI 2.1, and 1 port for HDMI 2.0, 1 SPDIF or optical digital audio port, AV port in, coaxial RF connector for your obsolete antenna, 5.0 Bluetooth for faster speeds and more range, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network band capability in your Wi-Fi connection, and NIC port or the Ethernet port for LAN connection, and unfortunately no 3.5mm audio jack. Inside the box, we have our LED TV, our Bluetooth remote with 2 batteries, our 2 base stands, 4 pieces of screws for our base stands, quick start guide, and warranty card. Also, I bought it for 23,990 Philippine peso. So let's plug in the power and boot it up. So after setting it up, I can see here that there is a system update available. So you may want to update your firmware first. So for its processor, it's Cortex A53. It's a quad-core processor. Its GPU is Mali G52, a decent graphics that can run most games. We have 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gig internal storage, and that's quite big for an internal storage, you know, bigger storage than my iPad Nano. For the features, of course, this smart TV is running Android 10 and hopefully upgradable to Android 11 in the future. Screen mirroring or screen share, total surround, Dolby Digital, DTS True Sound, equalizer, Chromecast built-in, hands-free Google Assistant, voice control, and per experience, the accuracy of the voice control is too good, trust me. For the picture quality features, we have our typical high dynamic contrast, vivid color, auto backlight scan, smooth motion rate, digital noise reduction or DNR, and so much more. I'll show you later. And we have game mode. Yeah, you heard it right. It has a game mode. Sorry, but I can't help myself to compare this to the new TV Xiaomi just recently released, the Mi TV P1. Actually, I plan to buy that one instead of Coocaa. It is actually on my cart, but the only drawback is the input lag. Also, Xiaomi TV P1 doesn't have game mode. So when you plan to use it for gaming using your console, of course you want the best gaming experience at least. So unfortunately it's not there. So you may experience latencies when playing fast-paced games, especially rhythm games on that Mi TV P1. That's why I chose Coocaa. Almost the same price range with a competitive specs. Later on the video I'm going to show you that option. There's a feature that I like in Mi TV P1, which is the Dolby Vision. This Coocaa model 55S6G Pro Max doesn't have one, but as a replacement we have Chameleon Extreme 2.0 engine. It delivers clarity in every single detail. This built-in picture processing engine creates the brilliant picture quality, enhancing it by optimizing each pixel. Though the blacks are not that sharp, but for this price range with these features and specification, it's bang for the buck. So here's our TV, and here's the preview of the settings and options that we can see here on our 55S6G Pro Max model. So you'll get an idea if you ever plan on buying this TV, or if there's something that I missed to cover, so you can just check it on this video. First, I'm going to show you the options that we have here. So I'm going to click more using the remote. Okay, pick. And then wait, let's go to settings first. We have here our network and internet. Here's the settings. Have wake on wireless, wake on LAN. On inputs, we have 3 inputs, 1, 2, 3, and the AV-in. We have HDMI control to allow the TV to control our HDMI devices. I use this for controlling the PS4. So we have TV auto power on, and accounts and sign in. It's linked to my Gmail. On the apps, we can see all the apps installed, app permissions and such. On device preferences, click about. We have here the device name, the version, which is 10, Android 10, software version, kernel version, the build. So let's tap the build 5 times to unlock the developer mode option. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we can see the developer options here. So if you want to mess with your settings, just go here. What else? Yeah, basic date and time, language, keyboard, power, fast boot, auto standby, sound, storage, which is 32 gigs, and home screen. If you want to customize the channels, is it clear? Let me get this closer to the TV. Is it clear? I don't know. Let's try to focus this one. I think it's better now. Okay. Shop mode, Google Assistant. It's linked into my Google Home. Oh, sorry about the noise. Chromecast built in. Screensaver. Here's the options we have here. Developer options, location, usage and diagnostics. Don't want to. Security and restrictions. If you want to allow your third-party applications to install unknown applications. So accessibility. Here's what we have. Reset option. And remotes and accessories. I have my Galaxy Buds, Samsung Buds Plus connected here, and my remote. You have the option there to add accessory. So let's try the voice command by Google. So let's try to hey Google. Open PlayStation 4. Okay. Now it's now turning on our PS4, since it's also controlled or linked on the TV. And then here, okay, let's choose my profile, and I'm using the remote, you know, to move around the PS4. It's awesome, right? Well, let's zoom out a little. Okay, let me turn on the controller. Okay. So on Netflix, open my account. Oh, Cocomelon. Currently watching Black Clover right now, so let's try. Or Psycho. Let's say the additional. We have more options here. Click menu, click menu, click more, and then select picture, and then wait, let me lower the volume. Picture mode. You have your user to customize your preferred setting. Dynamic backlight, backlight, brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, gamma, color temperature, 11-point white balance correction. And on advanced settings, we have DNR, adaptive luma control, local contrast control, MPEG noise reduction, DI film mode. And you may be wondering, where is the game mode here? So game mode will option will show here if you are connected to your console. Let's say, let's go back to our PlayStation again. Hey Google, go open PlayStation 4. So we're now on PlayStation 4, and open menu again, picture mode, oh sorry, click more, and then picture, go to advanced settings, and then as you can see, I have my game mode enabled, so you can turn off and turn on. You will notice the latency if you try to play around it. So yep. On sound, we have DTS Studio Sound, surround, true volume, speaker, SPDIF type, off, Dolby Digital, PCM, pass through, setup, let's boot. Okay. So let's try more voice command to our TV. Hey Google, change the light color to blue.
Got it. Changing the main room to blue.
And there we go. Let's try, let's say, if you're ever going to sleep, like, hey Google, turn off the lights and turn off the TV.
Okay, turning the main room off.
And basically that's it. It's really useful.
Okay, turning off Coke Girl.
And I name the TV Coke Girl. And let's turn on the TV again. Hey Google, turn on the TV.
Okay, turning on Coke Girl.
Let me try to play around. So yeah, I like the color. It's not that bad, and uh, yeah. Do you agree? What do you think? This is Ghost of Tsushima. I may miss some details, but I hope this video can help you decide whether to get it or not. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, that click button. What the hell? Thank you for watching. Make sure to click and subscribe that button if this video helped you in any way. Right, peace.